welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Monkey Mart again. Sorry. So, yeah, it's just kind of Monkey Mart mostly. Oh, dang. Mostly because, I didn't really know what else I should do. Because, you know, there's nothing much trending these days. But other than that, yeah, I'm playing Monkey Mart. So be it. And now let's see. So last time we got this popcorn machine and stuff. So and like let's see. I got the popcorn machine and stuff, and let's see. It looks like a lot of people want popcorn, but you need corn for it, as we all know. This is gonna be pretty, well, hard. Wake up. Wake up. Okay, so looks like it's pretty slow, the popcorn machine. So also kind of I should upgrade one of these guys. I'm probably not gonna microwave some of these. Looks like there's a chef here, and then there's that. But like, to be honest, really want to get the guy doing stuff that I want in this guy too. So let's see. I'm gonna do stack. I'm just gonna give these guys all the levels. Speed. Oh, I don't have enough money. Well, let's get some monies. Let's get some monies. Woo! Let's get some monies. Woohoo! Money. Monies. Let's go, monies. Money. Give me some money. And why are these people sleeping on the job every single day? Like, brr. Wake up, this is a job. You know there's something called firing people, right? Right? I hope you know that. Ooh, monies. Let's upgrade some more. Okay, with this money, kind of wanna do, only 4 level for stack, dang. Yeah, so I kind of want to max those out first. And let's see, 92, good. That's pretty good. Wakey. Moo. Yeah, probably should get one of these. We're gonna need it. Let's see, wakey. See, is there anything else I should buy? That's kind of waste of money so far. Ooh, yeah, that's what I need to buy. I forgot about that. Give me all this. I did not want to do that, but okay. Okay, so looks like everyone's sleeping on the job. I get it. Job's boring, but I can fire you for that. Okay, honestly, this is kind of annoying on how I can only carry 4 now. Stuff, and this is pretty slow. Oh yeah, I forgot. It also, sometimes it breaks, which is annoying. Very annoying. Like, very. You don't know how annoying it is. Plus, I think we really need to upgrade the microwave machine thing. Dude. Stop sleeping on the job, guys. Stop that. Stop it. Please. Stop it. So many of you are sleeping on the job right now. I could easily fire all of you. Every single one of you. Wake up. Okay, so that. Oh, dang. Someone get eggs. Let's go. Woo! Monies. Give me that monies. Someone buy eggs. Let's go. This guy's gonna buy an egg. Okay, but it's just one, so. Yeah, and also you guys should start going to bed a little earlier. I think you've have a little coffee. I think that'll wake you up. Man, why is no one getting eggs? Okay, fine, I'm going to throw these in the trash. Okay, so it looks like we really need a lot of popcorn here. So, yeah. Let's see. Hey, little birdie. Want your popcorn? Yeah, that's good, birdie. How about, yeah, that's good, birdie. And now I can finally buy whatever this is. What is it? It's, oh, for yogurt! Yeah, also I'm not really gonna do that. This is too fast. No, too slow, I mean. So, I'll be back. Wait, I'm gonna come back when I have $1,000. Yes, you heard me, 1,000. See you then. There we have it, $1,000. It's not really exact, but can't really do anything. Now with this money, now honestly, I don't think we need to upgrade these people much. I kind of either want to upgrade the player or the microwave at its speed. But first, can't want to do it. More money! This is gonna make more money. Oh gosh. No. You're kidding me. Where are you? That guy just gave me an ad. And what for? Oh, to wake up everybody! Let's go! Wait. Money, money, money. Money, 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 money. The chef. Should I do the chef or not? Don't have much money. But that, should I do the chef? Well, I have a lot of money and stuff. So, yeah. Don't need much milk. Okay, so let's see. Please be good. Please. How yogurt maker and this chef does. That's actually pretty good. That is pretty good. But it's really expensive to level him up. Like really expensive. And everyone wants some popcorn. Yeah, so it's pretty hard to give everybody popcorn when they want popcorn, and the popcorn machine is super duper slow. Okay. So I think, I think I'm gonna do that. Speed. Whee! Not enough money. Not enough money for what? But at least it's pretty fast now, right? Yeah, it's pretty fast. Where are all the customers? I think they're all here waiting for their popcorn. Yeah, all of them are waiting for their popcorn, but the popcorn machine's too slow, and it's expensive to make all the popcorn, and no one wants the yogurt yet. Wonder how much it's going to sell for. Money, money, money.
Feeling healthy by leaps and bounds. Making a dinner that makes their whole day, and giving your best friend the best nutrients for their best life. Science did that.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Monkey Mart, and see you guys later. ASMR. Can you hear that? ASMR. Okay, goodbye.